What we're gonna make today is a classic breakfast burrito, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit so it's not gonna be classic at all. It's gonna be my way. Let's do things my way. Before anybody's mouth starts watering, let's get started. What you guys are gonna need for these breakfast burritos are bacon, of course, any flavor, any brand, any kind, whatever. Get you some salt, get you some pepper, cage-free brown eggs, whatever eggs you like, I don't care. Just get them in the pan, get them done. Some wraps. I'm doing spinach wraps, just because I think they are fun. Everybody makes fun of me at work. Guys, if you're watching this, who cares? I don't care. I love them. They're delicious. Anyway, I think they just have a good flavor. So anyway, get you a green bell pepper, an onion, some of the Nanita's finest green chili sauce. It's classic go-to. The medium, half and half. You know, anywhere you go, they got the half and half. Anyway, get you a couple potatoes, and you know, I'll link all this in the description below for the exact recipe of everything that I used. And you can get any kind of cheese you like, but again, I'm dairy free. This is the cheese that I enjoy. This is the cheese that I can eat. So, let's get all this prepped and ready to go and drop it in the pan and wrap it up. And I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks too on how to wrap a burrito the right way so nothing falls out. It's all about that last little squeeze at the end. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get cooking.
All right.
So now, stupid thing, get out of here. Anyway, onions on the floor, get in between your toes, and you just want to fiddle them back and forth like you do a quarter, you know? Fiddle a quarter back. Anyway, maybe that's just me. Got all this, hold on to that, okay? Now, you're gonna get these potatoes. What you're gonna do with the potatoes, you're gonna get you some oilaise, all right? You're gonna put some oilaise right in there, all right? Put that in the sink, because that's where it belongs. Gonna get you some peppers. Everybody loves peppers. Okay. Pepper, 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 pepper. Okay, done. Now. What do I want? What do I want in these things? Okay, now. So, a little bit of red pepper flakes. Just to give them a little bit of heat now. Okay. Then, wee bit of salt. We need some salt. Where did I put salt? Think, Dustin. Right in front of my face. Okay, now, a little bit of salt. Okay, that's good. In the sink again, where it belongs. And give it a little toss. Spin and toss. No need for a fork or a spoon or anything like that. You just roll them around. Get them done. Okay. Yeah. Oh, going everywhere. Oh, hey, ho. Okay, get these. I'm gonna cook with speed. You know, working in a kitchen for years, you learn how to move fast. You learn that people are hungry and they're not gonna wait for your food. Oh, whatever. Not gonna wait for your food. Okay. Now that those are seasoned, ready to go, I'm gonna throw them right on the pan. Right on the pan. Make sure you get them all. Pick them all up. Okay? Okay? On a single layer on a pan. We're gonna throw them in there at about 400 degrees. Oh, there's already pans in there. Don't you love when there's already pans in there and you gotta get them out? Holy shamolians. Just wasted heat there. Now, again, here we go. Well, let's put them in. And we're gonna go 400 degrees, like I just said, to maybe 20 minutes or so. Get them browned, get them delicious. Okay, now, works well. Now, clean the board. Always keep the board clean. Always keep it clean. It is better when it's clean. Now, gotta get these at some point. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cook the bacon first, okay? That delicious bacon. We're gonna flop that bacon right in the pan. I'm gonna preheat the pan first. But we're gonna flop the bacon right in the pan, get it done, and then we're gonna use the bacon grease, okay? Because everybody likes to clog their arteries just a little bit. Each time I eat a piece of bacon, I feel a little bit closer to death. But it's worth it, isn't it? You know it is. Okay, but we're gonna flavor the onions and the peppers, okay, with the bacon grease. Slice. 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 Okay, now, bacon. You don't need grease in a pan with bacon. Remember, it is grease. No. Okay. Flop at the pan. We'll do 6 pieces, 1 for good measure, because I want to eat it. Cause I am fat at heart. Fat at heart. Alright. So, that's done. Okay, next. Store your bacon away from the air so it doesn't get sick. Nobody likes sick bacon. And again, wash your hands off. A little soap on them this time. Ah! Okay. Then, once you get your hands dry, bacon. Clog the arteries. Bacon. Come on now, bacon. You're baking me late. Now that the bacon is finally done, doesn't it look delicious? Look at all the wonderful juices, all the fatty juice. Fatty juice of bacon. Okay, now, you take that. You take your perfectly cooked bacon here, and you flop it on a paper towel. And wrap it up real nice. Wrap it up in now. Okay? Bacon! I think I'd be okay with a little bit of food death. Get your bowl. Dump a little bit of the bacon grease out. Because you got enough flavor in the pan, okay? Enough flavor in the pan to stop your arteries just like that. Back on the stove, medium heat, bacon grease, onions and peppers. Perfection saute. Give me that sizzle, yeah. So as these are sauteing in the background here, we'll give them a little toss. Coat them in that wonderful bacon grease that we want in our mouth. So you're gonna give that bacon a nice chop, okay? And we're going to chop. Could use a little bit of that bacon grease. These are not healthy breakfast burritos. A little bit of that bacon grease in the pan, right? Then we're gonna get the eggs and scramble them. You got the pan on low to medium heat, okay? Get them in there. Nice and scrambled, okay? Quite a bit of oil in the pan. So you wanna get the eggs out of the pan when they're just a little bit wet. And what I did while we were gone, while we were waiting, okay, is I put, towards the end, I put just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Not much though. Get them off the pan, in the heat. Off the pan, in the bowl. Off the pan, on the mixing bowl. So total time on those potatoes, probably gonna be about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, something like that. You want them to be crispy. That's where the flavor comes. Remember we put that oil, that salt, that pepper, those other peppers, whatever they're called, red flake peppers, yep. You get them potatoes, you stir them around a little bit, pop them back in, get all those edges nice and crispy. Okay, good. Learn how to talk, Dustin. Okay, good. Do you hear the sizzle of deliciousness? That's the sound you want. That's all the moisture leaving. And then you gotta try one right out of the oven. I think I just burnt my tongue. I'm gonna show you guys how to build this burrito the right way. Know what I'm saying? Because I only do everything the right way. So you take your cheese, again, any cheese that you would like in your life, put it on there. I'm dairy free, I eat this cheese. It's a delicious, you know, whatever cheese. Anyway, so you get the cheese on there, then you get some onions and peppers. You get some bacon. You get some eggs. Just as is. Get your potatoes hot out of the oven. Smash it all on there. See how those edges, see how this potato looks? Look at this potato. That right there is exactly how potato should look on both sides. Ish. That's flavor. Alright, anyway. Then get your sauce and dump it on top. This way you have a delicious sauce. You're gonna have sauce on one side, cheese on the underside. Okay, now take it like this, you fold it up, so you push back in here because it all wants to come out. Go right over real quick and squeeze just ever so slightly. Take the ends, fold the ends up, okay, and then roll. Pinch and roll, pinch and roll. And when you get all the way over, you don't just let it go. That would be foolish. You slightly squeeze, because that'll hold everything in place ever so nicely. Ta-da! Yes. Okay, now we'll cut it. Take it like this. Right there. The beautiful, cheesy, delightful breakfast burrito. Now I'm hungry. I hope you learned something and had some fun too. We made a breakfast burrito with a spinach wrap, peppers, onions, bacon, potatoes, and eggs. Now, if you want to see more of me and my recipes, subscribe below and smash that bell so you won't miss an episode. And until next time, keep cooking, and we'll see you later.